ye koda sore ya Chief Justice Akachere say on trusted Ghana your judicial system no mami we very serious me nyanka me the time we no be CJ wo adwuma na ma sorry lecture na ma ye we no gold board the gold board the lenti kechira me the no start ai na me nye CJ wo adwuma ko mami we on say ye nya botre wo Ghana ye ni benya problem me nim de CJ edge mami fa CJ de ni we kira na ma ye gold board e de aka 8 minutes na me aka 7 minutes na me sorry mami fa me CJ na me sorry kira na ma ye gold board no say CJ we ye nya botre wo no a the same courts that you want to go and head them as a chief justice you don't trust the court you don't trust the court Ukos all the Assem Kroya ko Supreme Court on Supreme Court I to go to them and one sorry whatever CJ no FM Mubiano it is in the constitution of Ghana or beyond violating human rights it is never true. The constitution mandates article 146 of the constitution and go and give out the process whereby there is a petition against the CJ whereby there is a petition against the CJ. It is yet a petition against you. Now, it mandates that the president, in consultation with the Council of States, the president in consultation with the Council of States, will set up a 5-member committee where 2 of them are from the Supreme Court of Justice. 1 will preside as a chairman. And 3 other people who has nothing to do with parliamentary work or the Judicial Council or the Council of State. It has been set. Now, when this thing happen now, the attorney said, Constitution said, the Council of State will find if there is a prima facie case. What they have put before no, you see, Madam Torkornoo. Oko ECOWAS Court Oko here. You don't trust our judicial system because Oma person obedu omosono oba womun free ho. What is the violation in your human rights in this? Madam Torkornoo, what is the violation in your human rights in this? The proceedings, meaning is that the government have been interfering. No, the government has not interfered in anything. The proceedings are air corner. And as our proceedings, needs to go through, madam. You see, yes, it's a fire and I don't know the reason why you are so eager to go back to the Supreme Court. Once you don't trust the Supreme Court, you don't trust them. Now, when were you called to the Supreme Court? 2016, 2017. I think 2016, 2017, and you were called to the Supreme Court there. Is it 2013, 2013? I mean 2016, 2014. Then you called Supreme Court. Bafuboni was there already. Bafuboni was called to the Supreme Court by Kofo. But I don't think Bafuboni ebe Chief Justice because of political interference. Because in 2012, Okaya court proceedings, Bafuboni did not go for the NPP. Okay, Supreme Court proceedings in 2012 election petition. No, okay, because Bafuboni did not go. The judgment on the Bayano wasn't in favor of the NPP, so NPP sidelined Bafuboni. Etoma mano the CJ position. Ano mo de mao, madam, Ghana na nyaudia. You better stay out. What is the violation? Explain the violation of your human rights. Issue whereby even the constitution mandates as a president, the proceedings, the way even what was established as a prima facie case in the Krabeta Bonte, you push it out. Madam, Ghana doesn't belong to you. Unyeni panche will be your Ghana. And I wouldn't even Sanche will be our Supreme Court. And Okosoroba for Madam Mamenka Semwinchero, Opa in Chenebotoma. The NDC will not work with you because we can opposition. The any Ghana and court proceedings. Assembly court. The Speaker of Parliament versus the Supreme Court. The Assembly Supreme Court our constitute body in a few minutes, even on Saturday. Mutimi Ruli. Yeniana sa Article 97 of the Constitution. What amended? An article that has no ambiguity. Oh, amended. And any ruling of the Supreme Court in Biano is said to be an amendment. The cross-carpeting issue. Yetianum say Cynthia Morrison. Any a friend say this man Suhum MP. Omu decided Omuko independent or they are independent but they are in parliament. When the constitution mandate say if that person is in parliament, now decided Obe free na man yoku womwa. The seat in yan calling the vacant. Ye ni hanu say, and I would time ye this idea ne brewa. Who amende ye? Say it will happen in the next parliament. Who amende constitution, you know, when there is no ambiguity. When there is no ambiguity. There are a lot of things that you did in this country. We kept quiet and watch you because the law is the law. The law is the law. Madam, go through the process. I will sit down any given day and say the government has done nothing wrong. May I read the constitution, you know, and Obia will tell me piano. If you want to understand what I'm saying, go to the Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution, Clause 10. Read it free Clause 9 to Clause 10, Clause 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Read it. The president has even been sympathized with you. And even what is John Dramani Mahamate, and even his government related by Bikase, we want to take the, or say let the process work. Now, no, John Dramani Mahamate, or say the government has done its part of the CJ issue, unless of the committee, and it is constitutional mandate. What should you stop calling for the public sympathy. It won't do anything for you. Obeko ECOWAS. Our constitution will be read there, and you will come back to Ghana. And Mamie, there will be an wow. If you don't trust our judicial system, what you are doing is say your judicial system now all head in judicial system. One can say a judicial system now all head no, and your papa. Judicial system now one can say all head no. One will say your papa, and this is something that you need to change your mind, Mommy. Me no wow, me to me hopeful. Because Oma person be do almost no. Oma person be do almost as a chief justice no. These same people are there. Oma unyo muni no. Oma ma rule na also muni nyansa. Rule no mu really ya papa to the ECOWAS court no. Oma na oba be do almost so. Na bibi aso eti akon. So this is a piece of advice, Madam. Ghana enya wo dia. The government is doing what the constitution mandated. Let's follow the proceedings. Cooperate with them. I know you see one woman who hear him more. CJ, one woman who hear him more. Mommy, you are the one that Ghanaians respected a lot. Yeah, mommy. It's about Torkornoo. You were respected a lot. But the telling is one wayama who hear him or Ghana more. Because Okasano. Doing press conferences doesn't change anything. A 2% say, oh, person wunti. Yeah, amend the Article 146 nana. Ever since you became a CJ, I said, your constitution, like I said down, one way the other, one for so amend the constitution, na my ye. Per who NCT the ope. NCT the ope to the point where you can say, baby, yeah, you don't cut na no, a honor papa cut na go. That bitterness in you. Go through the proceedings, Madam. If you go through the proceedings and the proceedings are okay with you, na Ghana for you na yejitum say, I committee ne babont and there wuye kura no, ebema ho aye him more because minim nipa there be ameka say way. I don't know those that are cancelling you as a council. Omo mutu for say yes no. I don't even know if omo mutu for no, if they know what they are doing to you and they would have changed their mind on that. Na bibia timi akoso. Betufo, please and plead. go back, rethink. Meanwhile, I can make a manual to, and I'll go through the proceedings, and then the proceedings will happen as it is. Me are presented the amount the president, then the president, and no cost rubber form, madam, only easy. NDC for be more free ho. And two guys about football in our bay acting, over be two bafuboniana. Bafuboni is the CJ now of Ghana. Let me tell you, just say one person proceedings and go through. A go through we are. And a report to be a baby at a new free home. Every report that are coming is say a new free home. It's mommy, just keep quiet, go through it, go home as some dream. Meanwhile, honorably, respectfully to end. Adi ebeye train ebeye yawo hono ne say as a CJ ye be pam na o pension pay a obenye nyina ebebo kame honorably I resign na ma me pension pay ma kama not ma anye CJ wa be CJ wa ye awie de obeye wom bia wa ye awie eti say wa anye NDC administration wa anye CJ unhu wa ntwa wo so tan mu ntwa wie wa ntwa wie unhu and call that respect for yourself and it will be okay. And only of two kakra me de bema any kakra beka.